tomato, pumpkin, corn, lettuce, and carrot. And soda.
Laundry soda.
Laundry soda and milk. Egg. Apple juice.
Green tea.
Green tea. Soda. Toilet paper. A cashier. And the shopping cart. And the shopping basket. This is apple. And I don't know what is this, bro. Open it. Let's open. How do I open this, bro? Wait a second. Oh my god. This is so
You need some
hard.
help?
No thanks. It's sticky. It's sticky. What the? Who has those? Did I fall down something? Can I put it back? I want to put it back. Oh my god, so pretty. Pretty. What the heck, bro? Ooh, I have some money. What is this? Oh, it's for the ramen noodles. I forget. Oh yeah, that's his face. Oh, the cashier is this way. What? Oh yes. Can you help me? Hey, there, bro. Thank you. What is this? Oh, we have some Murphix. Oh, can I open it? What the? I'm so clumsy. I need to put it back. There's eggs, bro. There's nothing. Oh my god! Where's this nothing in here?
The latest set, your latest toys.
Yes.
This is a supermarket set, right?
Right.
You love going to the supermarket. You love shopping in the supermarket.
Sim.
You love shopping in the supermarket.
Sim. I'm talking Portuguese. Bye-bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like thumbs up. Bye-bye.